On the menu tonight is Poppyseed Chicken. What we need for Poppyseed Chicken: 1 cup sour cream, 1 can 10 3/4 ounces, mine's 10 1/2, cream of chicken soup, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon dill weed, 4 cups cubed cooked chicken. If you already have cooked chicken that you have leftovers, use that. I just bought the already cooked chicken. 3 cups cooked rice, and I'm going to be using the boiling bag. 1 1/2 cups butter flavored cracker crumbs. 1/2 cup butter melted. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. Take an 11 by 7 baking sheet and spray with cooking spray, and then set it aside. Take a large bowl, combine your sour cream, one can of cream of chicken soup, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of dill weed. You can go ahead and mix that up. Then add your 4 cups of chicken, which was about 2 1/2 of those bags that I showed you, and the 3 cups of rice, and stir that until it's thoroughly combined. Take your butter cracker crumbs and your melted butter and mix them together. And that's 1 1/2 cups of cracker crumbs and 1/2 cup of butter. And put your chicken mixture in your pan. And spread that out. I do want to say that the show must go on. Do not ever get into a hurry when you're trying to make your videos. I just ended up cutting my finger. I was reaching for this spatula in a drawer and something sharp, I'm thinking it was a peeler, ended up cutting right underneath my fingernail. But I had to finish this for you guys, so that is what I'm going to do. And trust me, I didn't get any blood in the food because I was not near it when I cut myself. And Dave makes a great nurse. Alright, so that is spread out evenly. Then take your crumb topping and sprinkle it over the top. Try to get it all covered. And today was a good day and a bad day. I think Buddy has a bladder infection. He's not feeling well. But Dave bought me an RC car, and it's kind of like a trail driver, you know. It's not quite a rock climber, but it can go on trails. And we went out and did that, and he's going to be posting a video on that, so look for that. And then of course I cut my finger, so good and bad. All right, I'm going to just kind of pat that down. So put your Poppyseed chicken in a 350 degree oven for 30 minutes or until it's bubbly. and the top is brown. So here is the poppy seed chicken, and rounding out the meal is tangerine crunch salad. Let's get my husband to do a taste test.
Now what is this?
Poppy seed chicken.
Poppyseed chicken, okay. That doesn't look like poppy seeds.
They're mixed in with the chicken.
What's this on top?
That is butter cracker crumbs.
Oh. That goes real good together.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.